Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to make the most of the ls command in Linux. Whether you are a developer, sysadmin or engineer, these tips will help you manage files and directories efficiently in your day-to-day tasks. Let's get started. Ls command, it's very simple and shows you what's inside the folder you are in. If you run ls-l command, for a detailed view including permission, owner, file size and modification date. These are permission, owner, group, file size and the date. And ls-lh formats the file size in human readable like KB, MB or a GB. This thing. Sorry. It will display KB, MB or GB size. And the next command is ls-a -a to include hidden files like configuration which starts with a dot. These are the dot files it shows. To see the hidden files, we run the command ls-a. Hidden files are crucial for advanced configuration. You can pair this with -l for detailed hidden files info. ls-la. This will list all the files like you can see .cache, .config. All files and folders you can see with ls-la. If we run ls uh, ls-color to visualize the distinguish file types, folders in blue and executable in green and the regular file in white. In my case it is showing in blue. An executable file here is t.sh is the executable file and normal file it is displaying in white. This makes it easier to identify file types. And the next is if you want to list files from a particular folder like example/etc, it will list all the files from a particular folder. Even though I am not in etc, it will show all the files. With that you can use ls-l/etc. It will list with the permission and all the details. In reverse order, if you want to see the files, ls-r/etc. In reverse order it will show. It's sort by oldest files first and recursively listing with ls-R to list the files in a current directory and all subdirectory recursively. Here you can see this is the command we've run just now. Recursively it lists all the files and subfolders. This is useful for getting a full view of directory structure. And if you want to sort a file size with the file size ls-S, it will list with the file size. If you combine with L, it will show highest file size at the top and the lowest one at the bottom. This is 0 byte. And to view the inode number, you can run -i. You can see the inode number. It displays the inode number for files which are unique identifier in the file system. Inodes are useful for advanced file system operations. As of now, we are seeing only the basic information how to view the inode files. Next command is ls hyphen f. F append the symbols indicating the types like folders, directories, star for executables, and more. Here you can see for directory it is displaying root /, and for executable file it will display star. This helps you quickly identify files type. And next option in ls command is ls, and you can list like I want to list files star dot class. It will list all the files followed by the extension. Here you can see in my output hello world dot class test dot class. So I have listed the file with a star, so it will list all the file which matches the search. This is useful for managing large number of files, and also you can filter it with assume that I want to list files with the grep, and you can mention like L. It will list all the files, symbolic files. Checking the symbolic links also you can do with this command with -l to list only the symbolic links and their target path. Inspecting a directory content in a specific path. For that we run ls-h varlog to explore varlog directory for logs files while displaying human readable size. For that we use ls-h followed by the path. So that's it for the video. We will quickly recap which all options we have seen just now. ls, ls-l, ls-a, ls for basic listing, ls-l for detailed view, ls-a for show hidden files, ls-color, it will display color coded output, ls-t sort by modification time, ls-r reverse order, ls-capital R for reverse listing, ls let me check the history, ls-capital S sort by size, ls-I shows the inode numbers, ls-capital F indicates file type. These all options we have seen in ls command, and that's how you can master the ls command from basic file listing to advanced option like sorting, filtering, and recursive view. ls is a versatile tool for navigating and managing the Linux directories. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more quick Linux tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.